Welcome back to the channel, guys. Now, to those of you that are new to the channel, this is your first time, right, of checking out on this channel. Guys, make sure you click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel because we are going to be dropping one or two updates for you guys in the Telegram channel. So, in order for you not to miss out on any single update, you have to follow the Telegram channel. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So follow it and to stay updated. And also once you subscribe to this channel, also click on the bell notification. Now, let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the week on our gold. So we all know first thing first, we need to know what the trend is. That is what we are going to analyze. So this is the trend right here. We are in an uptrend move. It is very clear that market is in an uptrend move as we are having a series of higher high and higher low, right? It is a very bullish move, right? No doubt about that. Market is very much trending to the upside. It is a very bullish move. So last week we actually did prediction on our gold, and we said that gold will be giving us a bullish move for the week, and this is the bullish move that gold eventually did give us. It opened and closed bullish, right? Now this week that we're also going to be predicting for, we would also expect gold to actually give us a bullish move also. So guys, this week, right? If you are let's say a swing trader that would like to hold their position, if you like to hold your position for the next couple of days and probably weeks, right? Going for the buy because in the long run, gold is still going to give us a very bullish move. Now, I want you guys to take a look at what gold literally did here. Now, take a look at it. We have to zoom it out, right? This is the trend. Let's start from here for quick analysis. This can be seen as our higher high. Then here comes the higher low. Now, market was able to push up again to form a new higher high, right? Now here comes the higher low. Market then push up again to form a new higher high. Then here comes the higher low. Market then was able to push up again to form a new higher high. And then here comes the higher low right here. Market then did form an higher low. Now our next movement on gold will be a bullish move that should form what? A new higher high. So guys, we will be anticipating for a more movement to the upside that should eventually form a new higher high, thereby taking out this high. So basically, markets will still push up in the long run, and they will take out this week. So basically, this is for um, positional trader that would like to their position for the next 4 months or 5 months. Be it you are a swing trader or you're a position trader, just going for the buy on your gold. Now let's go down to our daily time frame, guys. Now take a look at what gold literally did here. Gold did give us this massive sell, which is a corrective wave and a corrective move. Now take a look at this moment right here. Gold was able to push up like this to form our high. And then this is a massive move that market did, which is a massive drop, a massive pullback, right? Now gold eventually corrected itself and come back, push up, then pull back. Then gold was able to now push up one more time. You can see this massive movement that market did, right? Which rallied up. Now then followed comes this massive low. Now we'll be expecting market to continue to push up to the upside and therefore thereby take out this high. This was one of the reasons why I said in our weekly time frame, right? If you're a position trader and you would like to your position for the next 4 to 6 months, go in for the buy. You should just go in for the buy. Take your buy, hold your buy position for the next 4 months because gold will still continue to push up. More movement to the upside is what gold is definitely going to be giving us. Now let's go down to the 4 hour time frame right here. So this is the movement right here. This is our impulsive wave. This is a corrective wave. Remember this corrective wave, there is a series of lower low and a lower high, which is very much visible on your 1 hour time frame, by the way. The impulsive wave, corrective wave. This is also our impulsive wave, right? And now here comes the corrective wave. Now with this movement, we'll be expecting market to push up again for that to form an impulsive wave. So this is one of the reasons why we'll be going bullish this week on gold. So guys, this week will be a bullish move for us on gold. Now, if in case there's going to be any changes to this prediction that we just did, I'll make sure I give you guys the updates. So in order for you not to miss out on the updates, all you just need to do is click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. The link to the Telegram will be in the comment section.